Greetings, wonderful traders. I welcome you in this beautiful video. So I'm just going to be helping you on scalping, things that you need to consider, important tips that you need to look up to. So I know a lot of people, when it comes to trading these assets, volatility indices, Nasdaq, gold, a lot of people, they prefer scalping so that maybe they can preserve from their account and also to make quick bucks. So what you need to consider, actually scalping, we know that it is just taking trades quickly, closing them within minutes or within seconds, and we know that it is done in lower time frames. But there is something that is very, very important. It is not just scalping in the lower time frame. So now that's the most important part of it. I know scalping is looking in the lower time frame, but if you really have to succeed with scalping, you have actually to shift your perspective. That's where you need to really focus on a bigger time frame before you can go down to a smaller time frame. For an example, let's say you are using the stochastic, né? You are using the stochastic to scalp. Actually, you can use it. It's a good indicator. It works, although it is undermined, but it's a best indicator. So here I've put my stochastic here, and here are its settings. We have the length 26, and then the K period 7, and the D period, it is also 7. So it is a very, very good indicator. So now let's say you want to scalp in the 5-minute time frame. Before you can enter a trade, before you can make a decision to either buy or either sell, this is what you should do. You should go, maybe let's say the 10, but it shouldn't be a time frame which is that closer to a scalping time frame. Maybe you should skip a time frame. So let me just open maybe a 15. Yeah, let's skip the 10. This is a simple trick that works, guys. This is a simple trick that works. So then your purpose, it is to focus on what the indicator is doing in this time frame. I know this will shift a lot of stuff, but this is where you focus. Remember, in price action, we use the indicator to confirm. But in here, when we scalp, that's where the indicator comes in. The indicator becomes our main focus. It becomes our main purpose. Why? Because it is guiding us that now we have a lot of sellers and now we have a lot of buyers. So you focus on the indicator. For an example, when it is overbought here, when it is overbought in this time frame, so then that's when you should be looking for your selling opportunities in the lower time frame, meaning whatever opportunity that you come across in the lower time frame, you take it. And as long as the indicator is moving from this position going down, you will still be looking for sells in the scalping time frame. So this is going to help you to go with the primary or the main direction, not actually establishing your own direction in the lower time frame. Same thing applies when the indicator reaches this level, you stop, and when it seems like going out, or when it seems like changing into the opposite direction, that's where you also begin to look for buying opportunity. As long as the indicator is still going up, then you'll be looking for buying opportunity in your lower time frame. So scalping, you shouldn't just focus in that time frame you are using, but it is going to help you when your focus is in the bigger time frame, because the role here, it is just to be part of what is happening in the bigger time frame, so that we don't miss what is happening in the smaller time frame. Here, as we have seen in the bigger time frame, that the stochastic is still below, it is still on the downside going up. So same thing applies here. What we can do, where is this tool? What we can do here, it is waiting for price to come back down and give us an opportunity. Same thing applies with the stochastic, and it becomes more effective if you are also going to just combine both the price and the oscillator. For an example, saying I want my oscillator to be the same as the oscillator in the high time frame. For an example, when the oscillator is down in the 15, I also want my oscillator to be down in the 5 minute. When my oscillator is overbought in the high time frame, I also want my oscillator to be overbought in the lower time frame. Then that's where you are going to be making a lot of profit, because it's now a lot and detailed confirmation. So those are things that you should consider, guys, when scalping. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.